Question 14. A cuboid has edges that are x centimetres, y centimetres and y centimetres. Write an expression for the volume of the cuboid. Now, let's not let the fact that there is no actual numbers involved in this question put us off. We've got to remember, from what we've learned so far, is that a volume of a cuboid is the length times the width times the height, or L times W times H for short. And we've always said before that it doesn't matter which way round that you actually times those, for the simple reason that if you did put some numbers in, like 2 times 3 times 4, 2 times 3 will be 6, 6 times 4 will be 24. That doesn't matter if you did it another way around, like 4 times 2 times 3. You'd still get 24. 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 3 is 24. So it doesn't matter which way round we would do this, and therefore it doesn't matter which letter, whether we assign the x, the y, or this y to the length or the width or the height. We've just got to times x by y. So we're just going to write that. So we'll just might as well keep them in order. So the first letter that's mentioned is x, the second letter that's mentioned is y, the third letter that's mentioned is y again. So an expression for the volume is x times y, because you're just timesing all three measurements together, even though you don't know what those measurements are. Now, obviously, there is a way of simplifying this. So because the two y's are the same letter, in the same way that 3 times 3 would be 3 squared, 5 times 5 would be 5 squared, y times y, these two letters, you could simplify to be y squared. So you can simplify it further by saying x times y squared, but also in algebra, you can make the times sign invisible. So the best possible answer of all is to make this little times sign here invisible and call it x y squared. All you're doing is you're taking that times sign out. So your final answer for the volume of that cuboid is x y squared.